Hello everyone. My name is Michael, and today we are going to design this particular flyer I created for a friend who was, writing a poem that he needed a book cover for. So I quickly did this for him. Today I'm going to take you through step by step how I was able to create this without stress. Everything that I created is simple, and within the next 5 to 10 minutes we should be done with this. So let's get started. So as you can see, I've already gotten all my background image that I'll use. I also have the lady's image over here. I also have my two colors over here. So the first thing you do is that you quickly stretch this image which I downloaded from Google. I will show you where I downloaded it and the type of word to type in order to get it. So first of all, I stretch it to cover my workspace. After that, you come to bitmap, straight to blur, Gaussian blur. You increase it a little bit. Let's do maybe 7.9. I think 7.9 is okay. So you press OK, and after that, looking at our workspace, let's stretch it a little bit. Looking at our workspace, you bring it to the center. First of all, you use the ruler to gauge your workspace so that you not go beyond or do not be smaller. So use a ruler around the edges so that everything will be perfectly done. Now you bring it to the center, pick your second tool, click on the second tool, and now make sure you align the four corners to fit your workspace. This you should be done without stress. This is something simple to do. So after we are done, let's take a shape first. I think a shape will do. First pick a shape, use this color to fill in the shape. After filling in the color, you come to the transparency, click on the second one, the fountain transparency. Now change the direction up, a little. Please make sure you follow my video. Please sure you subscribe and get more videos on Coreldraw. I shall be doing the same video on Photoshop for my Photoshop lovers to also follow. Just click on the subscribe button and follow me. So you quickly align it, make sure that it is uniform. And after that, we are done with the background. This is very simple, this is very neat. We quickly go to the image. So now this is an image I downloaded as a JPEG file which has a background. You can see when you bring it on top, it has a background. So quickly we are going to crop off the background. Very simple. You just click on the trace bitmap, click on the quick trace, and automatically it will trace the image for you within seconds depending on your machine. So mine is done. I'll just drag it top, remove the bitmap and bring it to the left. Now this is the one I traced. I'll just quickly press the ungroup, then delete the background. Immediately I delete the background, I can copy and bring it to the middle of my artwork, maybe stretch it a little bit, bring it to the where nicely positioned. I think this is fine. So you just color it, maybe color this one white by clicking on the white, this part to white by clicking on the white, this white, this one to white. Then we are almost done. We are 70% done. So you shift it down a little bit, align it to your desire. So you pick your pen tool, you pick your your text tool. So you type poetic concept. You can use any font you desire, any font at all. You can select any font you like. Quickly change the color to white. After that, come to the text. When you click on the text property, the property bar will pop up. So I will give it more spacing. My typing maybe 150%. Enter. Too small. Let's make it maybe 300. I think 300 is okay. Now let's reduce the size to 25 will be okay. I think 25 is too small. Let's make it 35. 35 is okay. You can change the font to your desire, the one you think is okay for you without stress. I will maintain this. Myriad Pro. Align it. I think the poetic concept, the space didn't come on. Just type enough space to make it okay. Yeah, so we are done with that one. So now you just type the Chronicles in small caps, the Chronicles of. So you change the text to any stylish font. I can link the font. I can give you the font name that I use. Maybe you want to use the same thing so that you can use it. The one I use is Better Saturday. That was the one I use. Change the color to orange first. Reduce it, make it fit. Start making it fit. You can duplicate it by pressing the plus key on your keyboard and give it a white color. Then you shift it to the left small or shift it to the right small and down a little. I think that will be okay. Then you pick another. Let's type it. Let's type the first one in caps. Afeafa. I think this okay. So quickly you can use any font type that you want, but I have my special font that I used. I will link it in the description so that you get it. You can download it. It's not something difficult. When you Google it, you can get it. It's something. Now I've gotten that font. Just increase it to the size I want. Change the color to orange. Start changing the color to orange and position it very well. You duplicate it by pressing the plus key on your keyboard. Then you press white. Then you shift it a little bit down, left, anyhow you want it, and it to be well positioned for you. I think this we are done. This is how I created that simple, nice, artwork for my friend. Now I want to teach you how I was able to download that particular background. I just type African cloud background and I look through. Because of time, I won't have time to go through and pick that same thing for you. But when you look through, you usually get it. Just type Africa cloth background and you quickly get it. And for the image, for the lady image too, I type African woman clip art, and immediately you type it, you see it over here. You just pick it, and I believe it's a free, but first of all you have to check for the copyright. You can download any other one that you think is okay and use it. Use the trace and everything will be perfect for you. Thank you and see you next time. Bye.